Mohanlal, the captain of Kerala Strikers, had a terrific match yesterday. It was a cliffhanger. They just won by 1 run. In the end, there was all excitement and happiness all around Kerala Strikers, because that was a crucial game. They would have lost yesterday, they wouldn't have been in this position.
It's Rajiv and Bhaskar. Bhaskar has been hampered by his leg injury. That is why even in the last game he came out with a runner, and that is allowed in this format. There's been a revision of rules specifically for CCL to make it easier for the actors who have come out to play this league. These two of such an important players for Bulldozers. Wide outside off stump. This Gopan again, who started the proceeding from this end. He did very well against the Tigers yesterday. Bowled that crucial 19th over in which he got the wicket of Jishu, and then that turned things around for Strikers. And that is how they were able to come back into the match and win by a solitary run in the end.
A handsome shot that's gone miles into the crowd. A terrific shot. The first 6 of the innings. Tremendous hitting by Rajiv.
Well, this is explosive. He got everything right. Excellent follow through. Look at the power. Oh, great shot. First over from Gopan, and that's what he gets. Good footwork, gets to the pitch of the ball, leaves that much of space that helped him to get the elevation and the distance. Good skill.
He cuts it hard. The bowler overcorrects himself and pitches it slightly short. And this time Rajiv rocks back on the back foot and hits it through the point region. A terrific hitting.
He's a fearless striker off the ball. That's what he's capable of for Rajiv. He picks the length so early. He used the depth of his crease to hit that one towards point for another boundary. It's an excellent start here for the Bulldozers. They seem to be high on spirit. Last weekend they beat Mumbai Heroes. That is how they've been able to remain in contention for a semi-final spot. This is another crucial encounter for them.
An immediate change in field. They've got rid of the deep mid-wicket which was in place. They've put a man back at covers, and also the long on has dropped back. So 2 fielders outside the circle. That's long on and deep covers. That's better. It's better bowling from Gopan. We saw him yesterday. Didn't give the batsman too much of room, but on those both occasions when he was hit for a 6 and a boundary, he provided a little bit of width to the batsman. Again width offered, and this time it was hit straight to the deep covers fielder. Well, he's been striking well, isn't it, Sabah?
He's timing it so well. And yes, you're right about Gopan. Because he doesn't turn the ball, it's so important for him to stick to a wicket-to-wicket line. The moment he strays outside the off stump, he offers that width to the batsman to play their shots. And that's what happened beginning on this over when Rajiv lashed on to those 2 deliveries. Much better, much better. Oh, they steal the single. Good running. They have a runner here, Bhaskar. It's a good communication between Rajiv and the runner, and they managed to steal a single.
Goes again, and that's again a big hit. That's a costly over, and great going as far as Karnataka Bulldozers are concerned. It's been a costly over, 27 without loss. A little pensive looking Kerala strikers dugout. They've